Are you tired of manually separating text in Excel? Like pulling an email from a string of text or a specific name from a huge list? It's a massive time suck. And honestly, it's one of the most frustrating things about cleaning up data. Well, what if I told you there are two simple functions that can do all this for you in seconds? They're called TEXTBEFORE and TEXTAFTER. And once you learn how to use them, you'll feel like unlocking a secret superpower. I'm going to show you exactly how to use them to save hours of work, starting right now. So let's start with a very easy example first. Let's try to split the first name and last name. We have full name here. So I'm going to use a TEXTBEFORE function here. So type text and then before, press tab to complete that. The text is here. What's my delimiter? It's going to be a space. So I'm going to put space in between these quotes. And now I don't really need to worry about these other arguments here. I'm going to use them in other examples, but let's see what happens here. Close parentheses, press enter. So now I have John, and John is going to be the text before the space. Double click the fill handle here, double click that to fill it down. So that's the first name. How about the last name? Well, let's use TEXTAFTER. Type in TEXTAFTER, press tab to complete that. So the text is going to be the same here. Click on that, comma. My delimiter, it's going to be the space, but put that in double quotes, close parentheses, press enter. Click back here, double click autofill, and there we've split the text. So that's pretty easy. So let's go to the next one. Here we have email. It's going to be the similar or the same thing. So let's see how we can do this. Let's type in TEXTBEFORE. TEXTBEFORE. What's my text? Click on that, comma. What's my delimiter? It's going to be the @ symbol, but I still need to put that into double quotes, and then close parentheses, press enter. Double click the fill handle to autofill it. Now, what if I just want the domain, mail.com, web.net? Same thing we had earlier, text.after, and my text is here, comma, double quotes, @ symbol, double quotes, close parentheses, press enter, mail.com, my domain is right there. So it's very similar to the full name. Let's get to a slightly more complex one, path name. Sometimes you might get these records and they're a path name, but you just want to get the file there. Like for this first example, we want to get out myfile.xls.com or report.docs.com. How can we do this? Well, all you need to do is use the TEXTAFTER function. Press tab here. That's my text. What's my delimiter? The delimiter is the backslash. So put that in double quotes, backslash, double quotes. And this is where we're going to use the instance number. So what the instance number does is which instance of the delimiter do we use? The first one, second one, third one? You can see that it varies here. So how can we do that? Well, we're going to use a negative one. So we're going to use -1. That means the last one. We're going to start from the end, not from the beginning. If you type in 1, it's going to start from the beginning. If you type in -1, it starts from the end. So I'll type in -1, close parentheses, press enter, and the file name shows up. Double click the fill handle down here, and they all show up here. So that's how we can get the file name out of a path name. Let's go to our other example. Here we got some numbers or characters, and they're all separated by hyphens, and we just want the middle one. How can we do that? So in this example, the middle one comes after the fourth hyphen, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and we want this middle one. Same here, 7555, 765 here, 123, 123 here. And how do we do that? Well, first, we're going to combine the TEXTBEFORE and TEXTAFTER function. I'll type in TEXTAFTER function first. That's the one I'm going to use initially. So we're going to take the text here, the delimiter, that's going to be the dash, double quotes, dash, double quotes. And what's the instance number? It's always going to occur after the fourth dash. So I'm going to type in the number 4 here. Close parentheses, press enter. We're not finished yet, but let me show you the example of what it brings out. So it's going to bring out 555. So it's always going to start with that number, right? So now it's always going to start with that middle number, 555, 765 here, 123 here, M and O here. So we've got our middle part in the beginning. Now we got to wrap it. We have to wrap it in the TEXTBEFORE function. So go back here, TEXTBEFORE, press tab, and we're going to take this output here. We just want the middle number before the first dash, right? So the first dash showed up here, 765 dash, 123 dash. So that's our text, right? That's our text, comma. And what's the delimiter? Of course, it's the dash. Put that in double quotes there, close parentheses, press enter. And now we have 555 in our example. Double click the fill handle. So we've got our middle numbers or characters between all those dashes. I hope this video helps you reclaim your time and conquer your data cleanup challenges. If you found this video helpful, give the video a quick thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you want more simple Excel tips that make your life easier, hit the subscribe button. Now, what's another Excel problem you're struggling with? Tell me below in the comments.